You guys, I am so tired. I've been trying to get this done for hours now, and I am so over it. But anyway, if you are just popping in, I have another video where I showcase all three of these journals and go into a little more detail. On this one, I'm just going to go ahead into the flip. Now, these are fraternal twin journals for the most part. And so what you're seeing in this one, you pretty much are going to see in the others. However, this is a bit, has a little more going on. It is a 6-inch spine versus the 5-inch spine on the other hardcover journal. So the hardcovers, I've taken two 1/8 piece boards to make a 1/4 inch board. So these journals are very sturdy and etc. And so on the other pages, the little tag has something very neat. It says that you are cordially invited to Clemmy's 5th orchestra, featuring Rosalin's solo and produced and everything by myself, of course. So I'm going to play music for most of this. I'll pop in and out to talk about some things. But yeah, so I made this little pen here, collaging some of the papers from the kit onto the pen. And this dangle piece charm on the outside of the journal actually started out as a bookmark. And then I decided to use it as a dangle piece. So it has a dual purpose, as you can see here. You can use it as a spine. It does have little clips on the end and some of the bigger pieces so that they can be removed. And I had to tie the first signature because the page, there's so much room in between the signatures so that I could have more comfortable writing, that that page there was coming over. So that was my solution for that fix. Showed you guys how to create little element really easily. And so the places where you see that I have printed out some information, you guys that are interested, you can pause that and try and blow that up if you are on your phone, because it's very nice information to have. Thank you, Donna Jameson, for that napkin there. I used um, acetate to create that. And the little kit has an add-on. It's one of the little add-on kits where I give like clock hands and stuff like that and smaller cutouts. And I've used mine as closure pieces for my envelopes. Some of the envelopes are printed out on parchment and some are printed out on vellum. And this vellum is a thicker vellum. See, I was having trouble putting that in the pocket. And so later on, I'll figure out to back those with acetate, and that clears that problem. Some of my French ephemera letters, and this little Tim Holtz piece at the back with a lot of his ephemera tucked in. Backed with craft text because I was going to use that violin as a closure piece. It just didn't work out. So I'm just using it to just be there. Now I was pulling out all kinds of dies and everything, you guys. I just didn't pull stamps out, but I haven't used that die like that for a while. There's one that says Imagine, Dream, Journey, and I maybe one other. I'm not for sure, but yeah, I was having a little bit too much I can't even speak, you guys. I am so tired. I was having quite a bit of fun. So Rosalin there acted as a little tuck spot. I thought that was so cute and neato. Yes, I'm getting delirious, so I'm talking crazy. So you put your hand there, and on the bottom, pull down two tags, journal there and journal there, or add pictures if you like, and close it back up like so. So, you guys, I thought I was done. I put everything away. And when I went to look at the video, it had cut off. Oh my gosh. So that's why you get the different background and everything. So that's another little acetate pocket there with some bling on those trims. Very lovely, very lovely. And when I'm putting the pencil there, I'm showing you that you can still write very easily in this journal if you choose to. And since I'm recording multiple times, I may be repeating things. But you guys, when you have a chunky journal, now this is chunky, but it's still laying flat. If you have those that aren't laying flat, all you have to do is add your picture or your like a piece of paper, journal on it, however you want to do it, and then glue that in so that you still have access to that. Now, I wouldn't go crazy because, it's already pushed to the max. So you have to keep that in mind as well. I took one of my envelopes, cut it up, and made a pocket and a journaling card out of it. So I was showing you that I've added bling to those lace trims if I hadn't told you already. Okay, this is a piece, little dangle here, has journey, and all of these little pieces here. I created this to house all of the ephemera. This is receipts, French ephemera receipts from Taylor-Made Journals, you guys. I'm going to leave all the links to all this stuff down below. And with that envelope, it was symbolic of Rosalin playing over in Paris, and she was able to do some shopping. And so that's what that was all about. I'm sorry, you guys. I really wish I had the time to slow this down and explain some of the things here. We are going pretty fast, but I've got it under 10 minutes, and I think that that is very good. We're at 9 minutes because it was going on 30 plus minutes. And yeah, I've even myself gotten to where I don't even really want to watch want to watch 30 minutes either. So there were 5 journals total, you guys. These 3 were the chunky ones, and then I had some blank journals. Now, what I will do, I made some little paper clips. They're so cute. What I will do is I will come back somewhere later, and I'll revisit this kit again, play with it again, and create some nice writing journals that aren't just like blank, but they won't have all of this stuff going on because I know some of you really appreciate the actual writing journals. And even though you can write in this, as I keep showing you constantly, this is more of a keepsake journal, you guys, as is in the title. Now, that's one of my ephemera pieces there. I show you how you can create some authentic looking vintage ephemera. Now, I'm talking about 432 hertz, you guys. Look into that, pause that page, read it, blow it up, do what you need to do. Guys, have a wonderful night, morning, or evening, wherever